Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a GM certified 2016 Buick Verano. Stock number Z9710XX. Only 12,000 miles on this one owner. Clean auto check history report. Graphite gray metallic in color. To be GM certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection. Give you the balance of a 4-year 50,000 mile bumper to bumper and a 6-year 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 12-month 12,000 mile bumper to bumper and 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. Verano is a very safe vehicle. 5-star front and side government crash rating. Seats 5. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Spacious trunk. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And very clean. No dents or dings in the body. This Verano has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Gauges, again only 12,000 miles with driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen MyLink infotainment system, for radio, it's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect to other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora, or Stitcher radio apps. And there's, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for radio and CD player. Dual-zone automatic temperature control with heated front seats. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Storage in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those media devices, and a spacious glove box, owner's manual inside. Under the hood, this Verano is a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder, 180 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. EPA fuel economy estimates, an average of 21 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 32 on the highway, and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.